Hey there, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we've got a fun MCQ quiz to test how fluent you really are in English. Think you can ace it? Let's find out. 1. What does picking someone's brain mean? Asking for advice. Tips: pick someone's brain means asking for advice or knowledge. 2. What is the meaning of piece of cake? Something easy. Tips: piece of cake means something is easy. 3. What is the correct sentence for making a request? Could you pass the salt? Tips: could you make a request polite? 4. Which of the following sentences is in the passive voice? The food was eaten by the dog. Tips: in passive voice, the object becomes the subject. 5. Which of these is a complex sentence? She enjoys reading books, and he likes writing. Tips: a complex sentence has a dependent and independent clause. 6th. How do you express something happening at the present? I am reading a book. Tips: use present continuous for actions happening now. 7. What does idiomatic expression mean? A phrase with a figurative meaning. Tips: idioms often can't be understood literally. 8. Which is the best sentence to show excitement? I am very excited. Tips: exclamation marks and words like excited show enthusiasm. 9. How do you form the present continuous tense? Subject plus am or are or is plus verb ing. Tips: present continuous is am or are or is plus verb ing. 10. What is the correct way to say I go to market daily? I go to the market daily. Tips: use the before market for a natural sentence. 11th. How do you express the idea of past habit? I used to go there. Tips: use used to for past habits. 12. Which sentence is correct? She has been to the store. Tips: use has with third-person singular subjects. 13. What is the correct form of the verb? I will read a book. Tips: the verb after will is in base form. 14. What is the correct sentence? He doesn't like ice cream. Tips: use doesn't for third-person singular. 15th. How would you ask a question about someone's action? Does she go to the office? Tips: does is used with she, he, and it in questions. 16. Which sentence is grammatically correct? She is the tallest. Tips: use the tallest when comparing three or more things. 17. Identify the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement. The books are on the table. Tips: books is plural, so use are for agreement. 18. Which is correct? They are running in the park. Tips: use are for plural subjects. 19. Which of these is correct? She has been here since yesterday. Tips: use since for specific times, like yesterday. 20. What is the right form? I am working now. Tips: present continuous is am or is or are plus verb ing. 21. Which sentence is correct? He doesn't like swimming. Tips: use doesn't and like for third person singular. 22. Which is correct? We will meet at the park. Tips: use the for specific places. 23. What is the correct sentence? I have never visited London. Tips: have never means you haven't done something ever. 24th. Which one is correct? I enjoy reading books. Tips: use enjoy after I. 25. What is the proper structure? He was cooking dinner when I arrived. Tips: use arrived for a past event. 26. Which sentence is correct? I am doing my homework. Tips: use present continuous for ongoing actions. 27. Which sentence is correct? She has two cats. Tips: use has with third person singular subjects. 28th. How do you say it correctly? He is good at swimming. Tips: use good at for skills or abilities. 29. What is the correct sentence? Can you help me? Tips: use the base form of help after can. 30. Which is the correct form? They will study for exams. Tips: use will plus base verb for future actions. 31. Which word is an antonym of hard? Soft. Tips: antonyms are opposites. Soft is the opposite of hard. 32. How can you improve your fluency in English? Practice speaking regularly. Tips: fluency improves with practice. 33. Complete the sentence: I am tired. Very. Tips: adverbs of degree come before adjectives. 34. Which sentence uses a phrasal verb correctly? The meeting is put off by the manager. Tips: phrasal verbs are verb plus preposition or adverb units. 35. How often do you practice speaking English? Every day. Tips: consistency is key for fluency. 36. What does the word benevolent mean? Kind and helpful. Tips: benevolent refers to kindness and goodwill. 37. Choose the correct sentence. She can sing beautifully. Tips: use the base form of the verb after can. 38. Which of the following is a synonym for happy? Joyful. Tips: joyful is a synonym for happy. 39. What does fluent mean in the context of language skills? Speaking smoothly. Tips: fluent refers to speaking smoothly and easily. 40. What is the opposite of generous? Selfish. Tips: selfish is the opposite of generous. How did you do? Let me know your score in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more English quizzes. Keep improving, and I'll catch you in the next video.